this evening to early Tuesday morning. Impacts at 11.0 feet, Barclay Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Milton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details at noon Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The stage was 8.3 feet. Thankful stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage this evening to 11.5 feet late tonight or tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.